This is Eachine's new 187S. This is a 1/32nd scale Bell AH-1 Cobra attack helicopter. It has GPS, full stabilisation, optical flow, and is brushless. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. So it comes in this nice aluminium case. Turn it around and you've got two catches that you use to undo the box. Lift the lid and you've got the manual. Eachine manuals are very good. Then take out the foam. You can see you've got the radio transmitter, two sticks as normal, power on switch, trims, but you've also got the mode switch. That is optical flow mode at the top. Then you've got GPS and you've got auto land, return to home, and auto land I should say. Then you've got your safety switch for arming, so unlocked and locked. Then automatic full stabilization on, you can turn that off, and then you've got auto figure 8 and auto circuit. We've got two batteries which charge via USB-C. The port is on the side there. You get the USB cable to charge via your laptop or the mains power supply. Take this bit of foam out and you've got the helicopter itself. Nothing to do with this. The scheme is already applied. All the stickers are already on there. But the only one thing you do need to do is put the bombs and rocket launchers and machine gun on the side, which comes in a separate packet. So let's do that now, and I'm going to fly it for the first time. Okay, so I've put 4 AA's in the radio transmitter. Let's extend the aerials. Make sure that this is in the middle position for GPS, down for locked, auto, and we don't worry about that switch. Turn on. It's on. Take the battery, slide it in the back like this, pinch the catches together, and then make sure they're engaged with the side of the fuselage so it doesn't drop out. Then switch on, so hold down the button until the lights come on, and we're ready. So because we've put it in GPS mode, we need to wait until we get confirmation from the radio transmitter that we've got locks on satellites, and it will tell us that in a moment. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes to do that the first time. 7 satellites, and there we go. Confirmed it's got GPS that it needs, so we're ready to take off. So sticks down and to the outside after we've unlocked with that switch. Let's do that. Slightly up on the left stick, and it takes off. And because we're in GPS mode, it will just stay over the same spot. If we want more speed, we can put it into high rate mode. Let's try the auto figure 8. So you can see how the windy it is, about 10 miles an hour of wind. So if I go up a little bit higher and over there, up on that left switch, auto figure 8, bring it back, and auto circuit, let's try that. So it's switched down for circuit. It should do a nose in circuit. Really good. Up to cancel that. Now, let's try turning stabilisation off when I'm in GPS mode, so into manual mode. And you see it starts drifting by itself. So it's no longer locking to the same spot with GPS. You're totally in control. And it's slightly more agile as well because of that. But it's still really easy to fly, even in this wind. Let's turn that back on. And again, we're locked, so even in this really strong wind, it just stays over the same spot. Right, last thing to try, auto landing. So if I'm over there, flick it down, and it's landing. Nice. Let's bring it back and try some of our own landings. Back on the pad, space out the blades, put it back in GPS mode. We're already unlocked. So sticks down into the outside and then a little bit of less stick to take off. And I just want to see how well we can land this in this wind. Try again. You just hold the left stick down when you're landing, and that's it, switches off. So there you go, that's the Eachine 187S 1/32 scale Bell AH-1 Cobra. GPS enabled, full stabilisation, dual rates, brushless, comes with 2 batteries, just lots of fun flying it even in this windy weather. Thanks for watching. The links for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Hope to see you next time. Bye.